How are you, students? Before break, we completed our PT1 syllabus, all 3 lessons. I hope that you have written all exercises in CW with translation. Now, alhamdulillah, you got the message about the book also. I hope that you brought the book from Shifa Stationery. So before watching video and starting video, you take your Arabic textbook in your hand and watch video. Previous, in 6th also and before break also, you learn about types of word, means aqsamul kalima. Kalima means word. Kalima, 3 types. Ism, harf. Ism, you know, noun, word, letter. Noun, regarding noun, inshallah we learn further. Only I am giving you a hint that noun are 2 types. Jumla ismiya and jumla fi'liya. One is nominal sentence and another is verbal sentence. So now we are going to learn about verb. Verb are 4 types. Number 1, al-fi'lul madhi, means past. Number 2, means present plus future tense. So these are 2 types. Other 2 types are fi'lul amr and fi'lul nahi, but that we will learn later, inshallah. Your previous before break, past tense, you are aware about it that there was 3 radical, means huruf asliya, fa and lam. Always, mostly, fi'l madhi comes 3 letters, then 4 letters and then 5 letters. You just hear about 3 letters only, and I hope that you have written in CW the table which I gave you before break in PDF for fi'l madhi. So 14 forms for that. As you learn, zahaba, zahaba, zahabu, zahaba, zahabata, zahabna, zahabta, zahabna, zahabtum, zahabti, zahabtuna, zahabtumna, zahabtu, zahabna. These 14 forms for fi'l madhi. Now, this new lesson, in this lesson, you can see, if book is in your hand, red colored highlights, that all are fi'l mudhari. So, fi'l mudhari is used for present and future tense. But there is a little bit difference. If you are using present tense, so you can use directly fi'l mudhari for it. But if you are using for future tense, so you will use fi'l mudhari with adding C or sawfa. You will add C or sawfa for future tense. Okay. But now how to make fi'l mudhari? You know already about fi'l madhi. So I am taking one example. Sahaba. These 3 letters are for fi'l madhi, means he went. Now, if you want to make fi'l mudhari for using past tense, which you are going to learn in this lesson, so first of all, you will learn 4 letters of mudhari. It is called huruful mudhari. Huruful mudhari. Huruful mudhari means letters used for making fi'l mudhari. Now, zahaba is there. That 4 letters. In short, we can say atayna. Alif, ta, ya, nun. These 4 letters adding alif is used in one, noon is used in one word, and ya is used for 4, and ta is used for 8. So these are 8 for 12, 13 and 14. So these are the total 14 forms for making fe'l mudari. Now we are taking one example with ya. So zahaba is here. So you put ya in the beginning. Now how you will read this? So you will cut this zabar and you will make jazm, and you will give that zabar to ya. And the end you will make pesh. So it becomes yazhabu, fe'l mudari. Likewise, if you want to say alif, so you will put alif. If you want to put ya and nun, so you will put nun. So likewise, total 14 forms for fe'l mudari. You will use alif and nun for 1 form, ta for 8 forms, and ya for 4 forms. Now, how you will see that I will send you PDF of the table of fe'l mudari, all 14 forms. Now, just I am speaking by using these letters. First, I am using ya. So, yazhabu, yazhabane, yazhabu. These 3 are wahid, musanna, jama, muzakkar, ghaib. Tazhabu, tazhabane, yazhabun. These 3 are for wahid, musanna, jama, muannas, ghaib. Tadhabu, tadhabane, tadhabun. These 3 are for wahid, musanna, jama, muzakkar, hazi. Tadhabina, tadhabane, tadhabun. These 3 are for wahid, musanna, jama, muannas, hazi. Azhabu, wahid, muzakkar, muannas, mutakallim. And nazhabu, musanna, jama, muzakkar, muannas, mutakallim. Now here are some words I am telling you in English. Muzakkar means male, muannas means female, wahid means third person, and hazi means second person, mutakallim means first person, and wahid means singular, musanna means one, and jama means plural. So likewise, all 14 forms of fe'l mudari I will send you in PDF. Now you read this lesson. الدرس الرابع أسرة سعيدة. Lesson 4 family, happy family. أسرة family سعيدة है. You look in picture. There are parents and 3 children. So father is giving introduction of his family. Ana Muzarib, father told, I am a farmer. Muzarib, farmer. Zawjati Rabbatul Bayt, my wife is housewife. Means his wife is not doing any job or any work. So she is called Rabbatul Bayt, housewife. Lana Salasatu, we have 3 children. Salasa, 3. Aulad is a plural of walad. Walad means boy, and aulad children. We have 3 children. Their names are Khalid, Salim, and Rashid. Kullu yusa'idunana fi tanzimil bayti wa zira'a. Each of us help each other in system of house and farm. Each of us help each other. Kullu yusa'idunana. Each of us help each other fi tanzimil bayti wa zira'a, in managing of house and farm. Naqumu min an-nawmi mubakkira. We wake up early morning. Wa ba'da daydanati al-yawmiyya yaqumu kullu wahidin minna biwajibatihi li ahsani wajhihi. Wa ba'da daydanati al-yawmiyya, daydanati al-yawmiyya, daily routine. And after daily routine, yaqumu kullu wahidin minna, each of us complete their work in better way. in better way. What is the meaning of daily routine? Means every day what we do after waking up, that is called daily routine. It means it not mentioned that what they are doing after waking up, because each and every family know that what we do after waking up. We clean our teeth, we go for washroom, then we take bath, and then we take prayers, Fajr Salah, and then we take breakfast. These all are the daily routine. And after that, they complete their work. Ana asra'u ila al-qubul. I hurry to go the farm, means father. Zawjati tatbakhu lana ma'kulatun sahiyya. Zawjati, my wife, tatbakhu lana, cooks for us ma'kulatun sahiyya, delicious foods. My wife cooks for us delicious foods. Khalid yanziful bayt wallah. Khalid cleans house and courtyard. Salim yasqi al-agras fil hadiqa. Salim give the water to plants in the garden. Wayanshifu al-ghubar fil bayt, and clean the dust from house. Wa Rashid yurattibu asas al-manzil, and Rashid arrange house vessels. وَيُسَاعِدُ زَوْجَتِي فِي الْمَطْبَخِ, and he helps my wife in the kitchen. وَنَحْنُ لَا نَرْمِي الْفَضَلَاتِ إِلَى هُنَا, and we do not throw dust, wastage here and there. Listen again. Khalid yunazzifu al-bayt wal-bahr. Khalid cleans the house and courtyard, al-bayt house, al-bahr courtyard. Wa Salim yasqi al-agras plants, hadiqa garden. Yasqi, to give water. Salim gives water to plants in the garden. Wayanshifu al-ghubar, ghubar means dust, and clean the dust from the house. Warashid rattaba yurattibu arranges asas vessels, al-manzil house. Rashid arranges house vessels. Wayusaidu zawjati fil matbakh, and he helps my wife in the kitchen. And we do not throw al-fazalat, wastage, in our here and there. So what you learn? That in family we should help each and other in every work. For cleaning house, cleaning vessels, arranging all things in house. And because of that, what happens? Hawa una nadi. Our air is clean. Baytuna nasif, our house is clean. Narishu bisi hawa, we live with health and safe. What happens? Hawa una nadi, our air is clean. Baytuna nasif, our house is clean. Narishu, we live bisi hatu with health and safe. Nowadays it is very compulsory that we keep all things clean, so we get safe. وَفِي الْمَسَاجِدِ اسْتَمِعُوا جَمِيعًا فِي صَلَاةِ اللَّيْلِ, and in the evening we all gather in house hall لِنُشَاهِدَ التلفاز, to watch television. وَنَتَكَلَّمُ عَنْ أُمُورٍ عَامَّةٍ, and we talk general topic. وَبَعْدَ صَلَاةِ الْعِشَاءِ نَتَنَاوَلُ الْعَشَاءَ, and after Isha prayer we take dinner together. Usratuna usratun saida, our family is happy family. So this is the reason of the happy family, that each member of the family help each other and clean the house. So because of that, there is no global warming. And then at night they sit together, they discuss on the topics, and then take the dinner, and after that they sleep early. Because of this, usratuna usratun saida, our family is happy family. So children, you must necessary that you take textbook in hand and you observe the video, listen carefully the translation, and write how much you can in your CW. And if you have any problem, you can stop and watch again the video and today I have explained little bit about Fi'l Mudari. Inshallah I will send you all in PDF. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.